today I'm going back to my DIY roots. You know what? I'm missing these DIYs and I'm feeling crafty today and I'm really excited. Valentine's Day is coming up, which means you can scan multiple Buzz coins and you can unlock a Valentine's Day badge. So don't forget to go get your Honey Nut Cheerios, hashtag Team Lucy all the way. Do it for the puppies and the kittens, ASPCA. Today I'm gonna show you guys some DIY Valentine's Day gifts that you can give to your friends, to bae. If you procrastinate like me, these are super affordable to make and they're also so easy, very last minute DIYs, and they're so cute. So I'm so excited to show you guys. I think we should go ahead and get straight into it. Let's go. The first one I'm gonna show you is a super cute Cheerios inspired card. You can give this to bae, best friend, even your mom. First thing I did was I picked up some scrap paper. I went ahead and cut the shape that I wanted so I can trace it onto my paper. I went for the bee vibe, so I chose some yellow ones, some cute honeycomb looking ones. I'm gonna layer my paper on top of each other. For now, I'm actually gonna cut both the same shape, and then later I'm just gonna adjust the other one. And make sure that you clean up those edges, honey. And I'm cutting a piece off the top just so it could be a little bit smaller than the bottom. If you don't get it perfect, you can just clean it up a little bit. To attach my paper, I'm just gonna use a glue gun. And I thought cutting the corners off would be a nice touch because I kind of messed it up too and I like how it looked. Next up, to make our bee, I'm gonna take a clothespin. Yellow is the obvious choice. With a permanent marker, make some stripes for your little bee. Grab a pipe cleaner. We're gonna cut this into a smaller section, so I actually split it in half and then split it again. And we're just gonna shape some little antenna. For the wings, we're gonna start off with these little baggies. And in my baggies, I'm gonna put some Honey Nut Cheerios. Raul loves these, so I know this is gonna be a perfect gift for him. And don't forget, Valentine's Day is actually Buzzcoin bonus day. So you can scan multiple Buzzcoin and unlock a Valentine's Day badge. Check out BeGoodRewards.com to play and for more information. To seal these up, I just put a little bit of glue, hold it till it closes. Ask for help if you need some, you don't wanna burn yourself. Once we have the baggies secure, we're gonna add the body of the bee. And it's literally just a clip, so you're just gonna clip them together. And I'm just gonna add my antenna with a little bit of glue. And now we have a little bee! Now, time to attach our bee to our card. I chose a place where I was gonna glue it down before I put the glue on so that I made sure I didn't mess this up. I just put it on the side and it looks so cute already. Now I chose what I wanted it to say and I actually went in with pencil first. I actually ended up erasing some stuff, so it's a good move to use the pencil first. Once I was happy with my trace, I outlined it with permanent marker. I added a few little accent hearts and I think it came out so freaking cute. It's effortless and adorable. Last but not least, I added a little bee sticker that I found in the scrapbooking aisle. Could this be any cuter? Now I'm gonna show you a different way that you can do this craft. It's basically the same thing. I'm just showing you how to make the bee a little bit different. You're using some pipe cleaners. You're gonna roll them up together, twirl them. It already looks like a bee. I mean, look at it. And then you just start folding the antenna. I can't decide which one's easier to make, honestly, but I wanted to give you some options. Leave the yellow pipe cleaners loose so that you can tie up the baggies. There's no right way to do this. Just wrap the pipe cleaner around the baggie until you feel that it's secure. Then I just folded the bee in half. I wanted him to look a little shorter and stubbier. We love a thick bee queen. This one took a little bit of maneuvering, I'm not gonna lie, but I thought it came out so cute. I outlined with a pencil and then went in with my Sharpie. I just put a different little quote. I put "Be Mine." I added the little bee sticker and it just came out so cute. And these are side by side. I think they're so precious. If you make one, let me know. On to the next one, slime. Did you think I was not gonna make slime? You were wrong. You were wrong, honey. Today we are making some slime gifts for your friends. Honestly, what better gift to give to your friend than slime this year, okay? And you know the drill. This is a basic slime. All it is glue, borax, some food coloring. You can get creative, customize it your own way. But this is just a simple slime that I'm making. I'm activating it until it becomes slime. We can't get away without a few slime pokes, honey. I found these super cute little containers online. They're heart-shaped, they're so cute, and they're super easy to find as well in stores. I have these cute little sprinkle hearts that I found in the slime room, so I thought it was perfect for the occasion. I sprinkled my sprinkles at the bottom of the container, and the reason I did this is just so that they could sink immediately. I mean, they don't even sink, they're just sitting there, just so that I wouldn't have to wait for them to sink, so I could show you guys what they would look like. And don't they look so cute? I went ahead and decorated them a little bit with some stickers, some cute little hearts. It just adds a cute touch. And it's super easy. You can go in with washi tape, some ribbon, however you want to decorate them. And these are some of the final ones. Oh my gosh, this next one is so freaking cute. I found these super cute little crafts online and they're little gumball machines. They look so legit and I couldn't believe how easy it was to make them. I found these online. There's some plastic ornaments, a pink paper cup, and some gum. And then you're just gonna fill up your ornament on both sides and you're just gonna snap them together. I'm gonna cut my cup to the height that I want it. This actually was a little bit difficult. I had to maneuver around it to get it right, so ask your parents for some assistance. And you can always clean up the edges when you're done with the initial cut. I'm gonna eyeball where I'm gonna place my gumball machine, and I'm actually gonna pierce this with some scissors. Ask for help if you need some. You don't wanna hurt yourself. I'm gonna double check that this is in the right place, and it is, so I'm gonna go ahead and glue this down. A little bit of hot glue and a little bit of patience, and you got a gumball machine. I'm taking some pink paper and I'm gonna make a cute little ribbon. The craft online said I choose you, and I thought it was perfect. It's the cutest little pun. Some hot glue and stick that sucker on there. I added a couple little heart stickers for decoration, and voila. I also made a second one with different heights so you can compare. I think they're both so adorable. The next craft is these super cute little secret messages. This actually was the most difficult, not gonna lie, but let's get straight into it. We're gonna start off with some clothespins. I'm folding this little piece of paper, so I'm basically just taking the paper and measuring it. For this one, I folded it and I clipped it all the way to the other side of the clip. And then I folded over the remaining paper to cover the halves of the clothespins. This is really hard to explain, but hopefully you see what's going on. I took that piece of paper and I used it to measure out my other slips. I cut them up and folded them in half. I double checked that they fit correctly, and then I wrote my secret message inside, making sure that I don't write on the outside flaps. I placed it back in with the outside flaps on the outside and I glued it down. I wasn't that happy with how the message looked. I felt that it could have looked better. I made the second one shorter so that when I opened up the secret message, it was easier to see. I cut off the extra paper and glued it down. So you can see this one, it goes all the way to the back and it's a little hard to read. And then on the next one, it's shorter, but it's easier to read. Now it's time to decorate the outside to look like a mini envelope. I'm outlining it with a black permanent marker. I'm taking a fine point pen and making little envelope marks. It's basically just two V's that intersect and look like an envelope. I added a little bit of dots for decoration, and voila. You can send all your little tiny secret messages to your besties. Last but not least, I thought I'd throw in a treat for you. You're gonna need some decorations like a little heart sprinkles or red chocolate candy. You're gonna need some square pretzels as well as some decorative chocolate kisses. And you're gonna want a baking sheet and some tinfoil or just a plate, and we'll get to that in a minute. Super simple, you're gonna line your pretzels in a single layer and dump some chocolate kisses on top. You wanna make sure they are centered. I popped them in the oven at 350 and checked on them every few minutes. This is the tricky part. We put these in the oven and they didn't melt like they were supposed to. I think I actually burned them. Sometimes it doesn't work out the first time, so we gotta try something different. So we ended up putting these on a plate, stuck them in the microwave, and they worked out pretty good. I put them in the microwave 10 seconds at a time and just kept checking on them and to see if they're melting correctly, because if you put them in for too long, they're gonna burn just like I burned mine in the oven. It's a simple sweet to treat your friends. Or bae. So that is it for all these DIY Valentine's Day crafts. They were so freaking easy. The only one that I had a little bit of trouble with was the chocolate. The chocolate pretzels gave me a little bit of a hard time. Comment down below which one was your favorite. I hope you guys try these out because they literally took me under 5 minutes each. They were so fast, so easy to make. Take this poll. Are you with bae this Valentine's Day or is it a Galentine's Day? Are you with your friends? Let a girl know. Hope you guys enjoyed and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!